Are you struggling to find work as a drone pilot? Or are you curious about what skills you should develop when jumping into the drone world? Well, in this video, we're covering 5 key skills that will get you hired fast in 2025. Let's fly in. This is Adam with UAV Coach, and as a leading drone education company, we're here to help drone pilots fly safely and legally, and help them succeed in their business endeavors. The first set of skills are business skills. Although this can seem a little broad, there are a few important details to touch on. Just like most industries, the most successful drone pilots aren't always the best. They're just the ones clients know of. So whether you're freelancing or in a company, understanding the business side is a major advantage. This means knowing how to communicate with clients, sell your services, market your work, adapt to industry changes, manage projects, and meet deadlines. It's about being a professional who gets what clients want and being someone who is easy to work with. A lot of people can fly a drone, but not a lot of drone pilots can execute a client's vision. Doing both of these well and staying consistent and persistent will set you apart in the industry. If you want to learn more business skills, specifically for drone pilots, check out our Drone Business Blueprint course, where you learn step-by-step strategies, practical tools, and the confidence to launch, grow, and scale your drone business. It will be in the first link below. Next, many industries, like agriculture and construction, use drones to collect important data, whether it's mapping, inspections, or crop monitoring. Learning how to gather and make sense of this data makes you valuable. It's not just about the visuals, it's about providing insights. If you can work with mapping or 3D modeling software, you'll be in high demand. Now, let's talk about creative work. Good visuals are valuable, and companies usually look for someone who can deliver polished photos and videos. Knowing basic editing in programs like Photoshop or Premiere Pro can set you apart and make your workflow more efficient. Being able to enhance footage and deliver finished content quickly is a big plus for employers. The fourth skill is getting your Part 107 certification. This FAA license lets you fly drones commercially in the US. It's a must if you want to earn money flying. Having this not only shows employers you understand the rules and are serious about the work, but that you are also legally able to work as a drone pilot. If you need help with the Part 107 exam, we have an industry-leading test prep course called Drone Pilot Ground School, which you can check out in the links below. Last but not least, and the most obvious one, is that you need to know how to fly a drone and capture good photos and videos. It's more than just takeoff and landing. You need to fly smoothly and confidently. Employers want someone who can capture clean shots and understand different airspace regulations. So practice until you're comfortable with the controls and know the rules of flying in certain areas. If you can fly well, capture some smooth shots, and compose some nice images, you're already ahead. So, those are the 5 drone skills that will help you get hired fast in 2025. Start building these skills and you'll be ready for just about any drone job out there. Let us know in the comments if you agree with these skills or if you have any other ones to add. And if you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe and turn on that notification bell so you don't miss out on any of our future videos. Until next time, blue skies and safe flying.